Your AI keeps giving you boring answers. The fix isn't a longer question. It's just 3 small examples. This is called few-shot prompting. Few-shot just means showing the AI a few examples first. Think of teaching a new coworker their first task. You wouldn't say, "Do a good job," and walk away. You'd show them 3 good ones first. The AI works the exact same way. Examples teach much faster than rules. Here's how it works. You write 3 small examples. Each one has an input and an output. Then you add your real question. The AI copies the style. That's the whole trick. Let's try it. Say you want short, funny movie summaries. Example 1. Movie, Titanic. Summary, boy meets girl, boat meets iceberg. Example 2. Movie, The Lion King. Summary, cub loses dad, cub becomes king. Example 3. Movie, Finding Nemo. Summary, dad fish swims very far for his son. Now ask the AI to do Jurassic Park. Without your examples, the AI might write a long, boring paragraph nobody wants to read. With your 3 examples, it gets the joke. It might say, people build dino park. Dinos eat people. Same AI, way better answer. All because you showed it how. 3 quick tips. 1. Keep your examples short. Long ones get messy. 2. Keep them the same shape. If one is 2 sentences, all of them are 2 sentences. 3. Pick examples that look like what you really want. Bad examples in, bad answers out. When should you use this? Anytime the way it sounds matters. Writing texts in your voice, naming things, sorting your inbox. Anywhere you can show 3 good ones, this beats writing a long list of rules every time. One warning. The AI copies your examples very closely. So if your examples have a typo, it might copy that too. Clean examples in, clean answers out. So here's your move. What's one thing you keep asking AI to do? Tonight, write 3 examples and try it again. Drop a comment with what changed. Hit subscribe for the next prompt tip.